Hello, guys. We don't relax. We have a good one with the butt moms. Right leg, go up, forward, and back. And stay. Raise up and push down. Keep calm. A little walking with your knee. Good job. Good. Back to the arm. Try to put your and to open. Good work. Change the position. Go with the hand. Open your leg.